Past few weeks, give this video a huge thumbs up, drop some comments down below.
Sorry, I can't search for videos on Apple Watch.
Really? Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back, and if you're new, welcome to the wonderful world of me. Today I'm back with another Disney makeup tutorial, and I'll be doing Bambi. But before we get started, don't forget to check out some videos from the past few weeks, and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos on skincare and makeup and just me and my life. But without further ado, let's get going. So I did my eyebrows and primed my eyelids off camera, but we are starting with the Primark Nude Illusions palette. I'm using a white shade, so with a fluffy brush on the crease, just apply that there and just build it. So I'm taking my 120 colour palette and we're using a mixture of brown and orange, and on the lids with another fluffy brush, just sweeping that back and forth. It's quite a simple eyeshadow look. The look is mostly in the rest of the makeup. And I used a white eyeliner pencil from Collection and you just apply that to your waterline. I have not mastered how to apply eyeliner with one hand, so I've got the mirror between my legs and this was the best way. So then I used my black felt eyeliner pen from Collection and attempted a winged eyeliner. I'm still envious of the people that can just do flick of the wrist swoop, and that winged eyeliner is just on point. But you know, practice makes perfect. But yeah, if you're like me, you will just go back and forth and try and make them look as even as possible without ruining the one that looked good in the first place. Then we're switching it up. I'm using like a stamper brush and taking a black eyeliner and putting that on our lower lash line. I know usually I use a pencil brush, but I want to switch it up, and I can't lie, I'm definitely feeling this brush more than the pencil brush. Pencil brush who? So then I used my Rimmel London Fix and Perfect. Then I took my sleek Life Proof foundation in the shade LP20 and used a large stipple brush and just applied that on my cheeks and nose. And then for my forehead, I used a smaller stipple brush just so that I could get it a bit more precisely. And then because I wasn't satisfied with that, I took a beauty blender and I blended that all out. So I think I might just try applying foundation with a beauty blender. But now we're using the Sleek Life Proof concealer in the shade Cafe Macchiato, and I'm using this shade on purpose today because it's the lightest concealer that I have. So let me do the triangles and take Makeup Academy Pro Base Fixing Spray and dampen the beauty blender and buff it all out. So then we continue with the drawing of the lines on the chin and the forehead and the nose. Then I used the beauty blender again and attempted to blend out my chin and my forehead. Then I took my concealer brush and I used that to blend out the highlight on my nose. But as always, because I'm never satisfied with the brush, I took a smaller beauty blender and I just used it to make it a bit less harsh. So I'm using my Barry M loose setting powder to set the areas that I highlighted. So I'm using the Barry M Chisel Cheeks Contour Kit for medium to dark skin. And I use the darkest shade and just applied that on my cheekbones and on my forehead. You want to take the contour just a little bit down towards your mouth to make your face look a bit longer, because obviously we're a deer. So then I took a brush and I took the same dark shade and I used that to contour my nose. Now we want to make sure this is harshly contoured because obviously we're a cartoon deer. So take the contour to the bridge of the nose, just underneath it, to make it a bit more pointy. Then I took the Revolution Bacon Blur and just went over the parts of my face that I contoured so that those would be set, and just also to bring a bit of colour back into my face. Then we took the felt eyeliner. So then I took the felt eyeliner and drew a nose. You can draw any shape you want. I went for a more diamondy shape. Then using my Rimmel London Stay Matte Liquid Lip Colour in the shade Pitch Black, I just filled in the top half of my lip. To create the deer-like spots, I'm using my Primani concealer stick in the shade Porcelain, and I applied it on my forehead and just above the contour line. You can either add lashes or just a bit of mascara like I did. And ta-da! And this is the final look. Cute little Bambi look. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. I'll be back next week with another tutorial, so make sure you come back and check that out. But until then, to check out some of my skincare videos, click over here. To check out videos on me and my life, click over here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I will see you in next week's video. Peace. Mwah.